Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my plans for my February kits. These are the kits I'm going to use in February. There are 5 months that are majority in February, which is kind of crazy when you think about the fact that it's the shortest month, but it is what it is. So the first week is January 29th through February 4th. I wanted to kind of use a very wintry kit to do that transition between those 2 weeks. So I'm using this kit from My Planner Life UK. I don't remember what it's called, Winter Wonderland, I believe, but it's pretty much like ready to go. Very little stuff needs to be added to be able to make everything work out. So it's pretty much just fill it in and drop everything into various boxes and things like that. So that's going to be super helpful, I think. But I'm excited to use this, and I think this is the first time I've ever used an all grayscale kit. So that'll be interesting, I think. The next week is February 5th through the 11th. And this is the week of the Lunar New Year. This coming year is Year of the Dragon. And so I wanted to find a kit for that. This is from My Cozy Planner. It's called Dragon New Year. This is actually the first time I've ever used a kit from My Cozy Planner. But I was excited to give it a try. I think this is really fun. These are happy planner length boxes. I definitely think I can make that work though and make everything usable. It's a little strange having 4 full boxes and then these kind of like long skinny boxes, but again, I think I'm gonna be able to make things work out. Might just need to be some more creative placement than maybe I would usually do, but I think it's gonna work out and be super cute and fun. So that's my plan and what I'm gonna be using for that week. The next week is February 12th through the 18th, so that includes Valentine's Day, so I thought it would be nice to use a Valentine's kit. This is from Lovely Planner Blog. It's called Sweet Love. I believe this is her newest Valentine's kit, but I love the pink and kind of orangey color being used, and the pops of blue, and then the like nice neutral color. I think it's super fun and cute, and I'm excited to use it for that week. The 4th week is February 19th through the 25th. This week I don't really have anything specific going on, but I feel like February weeks tend to feel pink for me, probably because of Valentine's Day, things like that. So I wanted to find a cute pink kit, one that would be kind of fun for that week. So I'm using this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. It's called Kitties and Strawberries. Definitely fun, pink, cute. I think it'll be great for that week. And then the last week of February is February 26th through March 3rd. So that's that transition week into March kits, which is hopefully the start of spring vibes in my planner at least, even if not in real life. So I'm using this kit from Planning Inspired called Spring Flowers. Just printed off 1 page here. That's all I really have, but I think it's gonna work out pretty well and it'll be cute for that week and give me an opportunity to pull in some extras from my stash as well. So that's all I have for today. Just wanted to share these 5 kits, what I'm planning to use. So now you know about that. So these are the kits I'm planning to use in February. You will see all of them with Plan With Me's when we get to the relevant weeks. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know down below which kit you're most excited to see me use, or which kit you're most excited to use in your own planner for February. If you don't have anything that you want to say, just leave me a penguin emoji to say hi. That's also a great option. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads, as well as bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.